What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with another banger of a video for you guys. More and more people are finding out about Tonic through my channel. You know, I'm telling you guys, support these videos because we will continue to grow the Tonic community and, you know, get more and more eyes on the project. This is pretty much free marketing, guys. We're gonna dive into some charts about the stock market that have never been seen in years. Okay, this is super crucial information that I'm about to give you guys, so don't miss a beat. Be sure to watch these videos until the end. And Tonic fam, I'm telling you guys, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get more and more value from these videos. All this information that I'm giving you guys, I go into a lot of research. I go through some of the top analysts charts and bring the best for you guys and show you how it correlates to Tonic. So let's do our best to get to 2,000 subscribers. Tonic up. Green day, we love green days on the channel. Tonic is up 10.89%. It was previously up 20%. Super bullish right now. I am super happy and, you know, not too shocked that it held support. I thought we would have retraced after that 100% move and come down a bit further, but nah, we actually held the support. You know, we held the floor and then we made another move back up. And you know, we're in a green day today for Tonic. 705k 24-hour trade value, up 135%, sitting at 17.29 million, just under 17.3 million dollars in market cap. My apologies. And 29,819 people have Tonic on their watch list, creeping up to 30,000 people. And what's great about this is that it's all organic. Everything that we're seeing from Tonic is organic, is happening naturally, right? What the growth that we're seeing is all organic, all legitimate, right? The team making brand new partnerships, the community keeps pushing out Tonic, spreading the word of Tonic to more and more people. I see a lot of engagement on Twitter. We're gonna go through some of those recent tweets as well. Let me open up Twitter for you guys and go through the hashtag Tonic real quick for you guys. Scroll down, as you can see, imagine Tonic with NFT utility from Bushido Crypto. More and more ideas to get Tonic out there. Mexi Global, can you please list Tonic? They have gone up 20%, 80% in the past 2 weeks, and with you listing them, they will shoot up a lot more. From Adam Vendor, people are letting people know about Tonic. From Crypto Whale, who is the next sheep? Rich A, Tonic is the next sheep. Billions, multi-billions in market cap. Tonic is skyrocketing right now. LFG. From Brandon Reedy, Tonic actually moving a bit. Choo-choo time for more people. He's shocked that it's moving because, you know, guys, you gotta remember, we were in this brutal bear market, you know, so every time we have a move up, then we have retraces and then sideways, you know, sideways, and it's just so boring. It's the worst, you know, it's the hardest time to make money in this market. It's super boring. Literally, like I showed you guys in my previous videos, one chart compares this market to what we've seen in 1871. The bonds and stock market, the worst we've seen since 1871. So years ago is how bad this market has been. The worst bear market ever, right? For stocks and crypto. But it's how I view it is, I'm looking at it from a very optimistic stance, because if this is the worst bear market, that means, you know, the people that are super wealthy, the super elite, the global elite, if this was the worst bear market, they're gonna make sure the next bull market is the most bullish, the best bull market we've ever seen, so they could cash out their bags, because, you know, it's all about greed and wealth, right? So they're gonna cash out their bags and they're gonna make, and when they're cashing out their bags, we're gonna be doing it too with Tonic. You know, huge gains in the future. No doubt in my mind about that, guys. No doubt in my mind about that. Now, like I said, very bullish to see Tonic, man, doing so well in the bear market, outperforming Bitcoin at this point with that recent move. And you know, when you see moves like that in the bear market, it's showing strength against Bitcoin. That's what you love to see for an alt. When it shows strength against Bitcoin in the bear market, you could be sure when it comes to the bull market, we will see huge gains, huge potential upside movement in the future. So as more and more investors come into the space and they get onboarded through crypto.com, you know, they'll be interested to pick up some Tonic, because, you know, look at all of the zeros that it could eat. They'll be thinking to themselves, man, I could make so much gains on this project, and they will be right. They'll probably get in, when we're already approaching new all-time highs, but hey, that's just how it is. You're supposed to be paying attention to crypto when we're in bear markets, when, you know, the market is completely in fear, when everyone is out of the market, when everyone is depressed and down. This is the time you're supposed to be in crypto. This is the time that you're supposed to be accumulating, and this is the time that, you know, you change your life forever. You get those life-changing gains in the future. Can't wait until the insurance fund gets released for Tonic. That's gonna be super bullish to see. Very great, very innovative DeFi project. I really do believe the insurance fund, whenever it does get released, that's gonna pique the interest of institutional investors. You know, that's really gonna pique the interest of institutional investors. But you know, this is all speculation. But the potential for Tonic very high. I know that for a fact. 36,150 addresses, bunch of transactions that are taking place for Tonic on ChronoScan, and Richard once again put out a new spreadsheet for Tonic. You love to see it, guys. You really love to see that the community's breaking things down for you guys. Definitely check out this tweet. I may actually I'll put it in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself if you haven't already. And yeah, guys, as you guys can see, the amount you invested compared to the future value with the amount of zeros that have been eaten, and we already know those zeros are about to get eaten like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Piranhas, sharks munching down on those zeros. But yeah, $1,000 invested, we go to 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros to $10,000, 4 zeros to $100,000, 3 zeros to $1 million in the future once we go to 3 zeros to for Tonic with $1,000 invested. The potential upside is absolutely insane for this project. That is a fact. Okay, that is 100% a fact. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto. Remember, this is not financial advice, but hey, only invest what you're willing to lose. But this is one of those projects I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take a chance on this. From a game of trades, this has often marked turning points in the market. S&P 500 insider selling is at record low levels. As you guys can see from this chart, the S&P 500 insider selling has come down to the lowest level it's ever been. We are literally making history in these markets, right? We're making history for the negative, the bear, for it being bearish. We're literally making history for it being bearish. So my thoughts is that we're gonna be making history for it being bullish whenever the market decides to turn around. Seth, great sentiment data as usual. The sentiment, from what we could see, guys, the market is really getting to that place where it's gonna turn around, even if we have to go through, you know, more crab market, more sideways accumulation. That's gonna be good for the market. That's how we build a steady base. You know, the spring, it's like a spring that's compressing, and then all of a sudden, whenever it does turn bullish, the spring completely expands and just, you know, just goes absolutely parabolic, right? from Henrik Zeberg. Bottom in S&P 500 was October 13th, 2022. He's calling the bottom for the S&P 500. Remember all the chit chat about imminent crash and the bearishness since that point in time 3 months ago. Yeah, it has all been wrong. Wave 2 brings this kind of sentiments out. Now enjoy bear's capitulation in wave 3. And this is what you call Elliott wave theory, guys. We'll see what happens. This is the S&P 500 we're looking at right now, and if the bottom is already in for the S&P, next stop we have is a wave 3 parabolic move to the upside, that rocket ship like we've never seen before. Hold on to your seatbelts, guys. I'm telling you, whenever the bull market comes back, whenever it finally turns around for the markets, you know, I hope y'all are prepared and hope y'all have stuck to your plans. Okay, that's all I gotta say. This level of panic in the market has only been seen 5 other times since 1994. Let that sink in. So what we're seeing right now in the markets has only been seen 5 other times since all the way back in 1994. I was a toddler back then, guys. I was a toddler. We're literally making history for how bearish it is, right? I really truly believe whenever, you know, we turn bullish, it's gonna be history for our bullish moves in the future. It only makes sense. Remember, a lot of the people that are getting impacted by this bearishness, this hawkishness of the Fed, of the global markets, are the wealthy, the super rich, the super elite, right? It's all, you know, they're gonna send their bags in the future. It's only a matter of time until they do. And when they do, they're gonna make sure all those, you know, stocks that are down so much percentages like Netflix, you know, Apple, all of these big tech stocks that are down tremendously, they're gonna make sure, oh yeah, we're gonna send these. And what's gonna be sending as well? Tonic will be, because crypto, Bitcoin correlation, alts correlation, all the total altcoin market cap, which is total 2, is gonna send absolutely to absolutely insane levels, right? Total 2 will send to absolutely insane levels, which includes altcoins, and altcoins with great fundamentals like Tonic outperform a lot of other projects. So hold on to your seatbelts, like I said, Tonic fam. If you made it to the end of the video, Tonic fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.